first thing I was hoping I would get to wear something this beautiful. It's definitely new for me to wear a sari and hold it. I danced last week on the show in a sari, which was very difficult. So I still need help tying it and learning how to, but little by little I'm learning, and I just wanted to look this beautiful.
This is basically a Georgette sari with the typical Indian theme, as it's in August ka mahina hai, so we have kept it thoda sa orange, green, white, like a not exactly flag, but yes, of course, something which resembles to patriotism, you can say, something like that. So August ko wo dhyan mein rakhte hue, and she is like pretty fair enough, so this sari really goes very good on her.